opportunity to interact with the professors and scientists of AIT, JAXA, Japan Aerospace Agency, NASA, Bangkok University, NSTDA, National Science and Technological Development Agency of Thailand. And one unique features of AIT is that students get some real life problem at the end of the education camp, where students have to give one presentation of those real life problems with a set of solutions. And the professors from AIT decided which solution can be acceptable and why. So through this discussion, deliberation and teaching learning procedure, students come to know that without application, knowledge, education is incomplete. And also there is another advantage is that adaptation of students in cross-cultural environment. As Dr. Nitin has already told that AIT consists of 20, AIT is not an institute of Thailand. The board of trustees consists of 22 countries ambassadors. So 58 country students are studying there. So our students get an opportunity to meet and interact with those students also. This definitely makes our students industry ready and ignite the passion to pursue higher studies, research, entrepreneurship, and cultivate their out of the box thinking. And the eligibility criteria of selecting the students is the student should be third year engineering students, and his total grade point average should be greater than 9. That case, the students will be selected for interview and written test. And after the rigorous selection procedure, we select the students, those who have valid passports of 6 months validity, then they can board the flight. These are some of the theory classes that are conducted at AIT. The whole curriculum are designed and changed also every year after the deliberation with the AIT and GIS group, keeping it in mind the feedback of the previous year students and also which branch of students are going this year. And they also get a chance to visit the lab of Center of Excellence in Nanotechnology, Robotics Lab, GIS Lab, Energy Park, Food Processing and Packaging Lab also. And they get a chance to visit the Bangkok University, National Science and Technological Development Agency, NSTDA. NSTDA is basically an equivalent of DST Government of India, consisting of 5 sectors: Nanotech, MTech, Biotech and NECTech. And our students visited the NECTech section, that is Thailand National Electronics and Computer Technology Center, and also the Thailand Science Park, where the Business Incubation Center they set up. And what are the outcome? The short-term outcome is that all the students are selected, all the visited students are already selected by the recruitment agencies. Actually, the MNCs give an equal weightage of the certificate they got from AIT. Out of these, 2 students applied for higher studies at AIT and they are waiting for their sponsorship. And one student already selected for summer internship at Bangkok University. One student applied for patent for his prototype model. And some of the students are motivated by some of the good changes that they have seen at Thailand and try to apply those changes and with their knowledge for the well-being of our society also. Like one student requested our register at Knowledge Institute of Technology to make our campus a plastic-free zone. So now our campus becomes a plastic-free zone. There is no exchange of plastic within the campus. Not only that, we set up different garbage cleaning section for the degradable types of garbage and non-degradable types of garbage to make our campus a green campus. One of the students have applied a project for the rainwater harvesting at NIT, and that is Knowledge Institute of Technology. So these are the good changes that they want to implement through our institute to the society also. But good changes should come up with a small initiative, and this is our success. Now I will discuss about the scope of the MoU. The last 1 and 5 years, our collaboration restricted within exchanging our students to AIT only. Now through this MoU, we can extend our collaboration through the student exchange of JS Group and AIT also, where the AIT students can visit the JS Group colleges for data collection and for short-term course where we are expertise. And the JS Group faculty and staff development program through short-term courses and postgraduate academic program also. And we can introduce the faculty exchange program where the faculties from AIT can visit our campus, give expert lecture, and if they want to give some suggestion to set up our infrastructure, the lab, and also some invited lecture. And our young faculty, those who want to do PhD, can join AIT through joint PhD supervision. That the supervisor from JS Group and AIT both will be there, and they can use the lab of AIT in a flexible time schedule. That means they can use the lab during the summer or the winter vacations also. And we can organize the joint international conference and workshops. That provision is also there in our MoU. And some special scholarship for the top and meritorious students of JS Group to pursue post-graduation at AIT. And the percentage of scholarship may be extended from 75% to 100%. And this MoU is valid for all affiliating colleges of JS Group listed below, that is JS College of Engineering, Naroda Institute of Technology, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, Dr. Sujit Degree Engineering College, Abacus Institute of Engineering and Management, Greater Kolkata College of Engineering and Management, Asansol Engineering College, and Guru Nanak Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology. All students of those colleges can explore the possibilities of those MoU. So I request the students and the faculty members of all those colleges try to explore and fructify the possibilities of this MoU. And the future scope, we are planning to start up one unified international bachelor's master degree program of 10 semester duration, where the students will complete 7 semester BTech degree from JS University and 3 semester master degree of their specialization from AIT. Hopefully JS University will start running from this year. So by 2017 or 18 we can start up this program. In this way the student can save 2 semesters. Curriculum of the program will be developed by the expert committee of JS Group and AIT. And we are planning to set up one joint research laboratory in JS Group with the help of the AIT experts. And the lab will work for the common problem and social development of both the country, and they will jointly apply for funding to the external agencies. This is all about the scope and the future collaboration of MoU. So if you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.